and the download's almost done.
Dom, we don't get out of here now, we're dead.
Letty, drop back and line up with the front tires.
What?
If we can't slow it and we can't punch through, we flip it and we hit the underside.
God damn it! Why do I have to say this? Flatten these clowns!
Letty, the wires.
Read my mind. Han, get in front of me! Dom, I can't get to you!
But I can.
All right, the satellite is in range. Let's power up these magnets and fry it.
All right, take our time. Okay, all right. Dad! Hold on. Come on, baby.
Power up. Power up.
What? Talk to me. What's going on?
The pressure of the launch, it must have jammed the cables to the power source.
Damn it, how did I not think of that?
Guys, where are you? The upload is almost complete.
Why don't you just kill it? Let's smash it. Let's run it over, right?
No, if we crash into that satellite, we'll probably die. And even if we don't, the fuel that it would take to smash it, we'd be stuck out here forever.
Gotta have faith, bro.
Faith is not numbers.
You know what, Tev? You're probably right. We're not invincible. We've probably just been lucky this whole time. This might be it. But you know what? If we're gonna go out, let's go out on top of the world.
Guys, what's happening up there?
We've got seconds left.
Let's do it. Let's go.
5, 4, 3,
We did it!
Let's go.
Not bad, man. Not bad at all.